Let me check. Look, beautiful. Cheers to my viewers. I'm here at Atlantic Coast, next to North Carolina. I'm here to fish and spend the night here, maybe more, and catch some fish and make some food, fresh food. I got here a little late. It's 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. But it's a good time for the fishing. So I'm gonna start. This is nice. A good view of the ocean. Let's go. Wow, very nice. Yeah, I don't know. I think I got fish. Let's see. Yes, something dragging. I don't know. Oh. Oh. What? That's a stingray. Oh. That's a stingray right here. Guys, oh no. Wow, from far I thought that's like turtle egg. Just clams. What the? Ready? My corn. That's how much I'm using. That's enough. Let's put it back in the freezer. Oh, I think that's enough. Drop. Put another lime. I put just a half. Mix, 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 mix. Okay. Let's leave it here for. Alright guys, my ceviche is ready. Best. Oh, I'm gonna just finish it. I'll see you guys in the morning. It's already tired. Good morning. Look, I'm gonna show you something. You see all this line? All the grass? That's the timing. I mean, the movement of the grass. So in the morning, move to that side. When it gets to night, move to this side. This is so beautiful. Good morning. I'm here to fish again. I still have some left over from last night, but I would like to catch more. It is a good morning. My rod is down there. I'm waiting for the bite. Oh my God, you guys won't believe what I got, what I caught. All right, that's a puffer fish. Look at it. Let me put my rod in the holder. That's a puffer fish right here. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. 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 Look at his face. Look. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nice. Oh wait. Can you swim? Alright. He's swimming. He's away. That way. Dumbass. I mean, I'm sorry. Oh. Yeah, he's fine. He's fine. Right there. Go. Yeah, he's fine. Alright, bye-bye. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna go grab another piece of strip. Come back for it. Oh, fuck this. Okay. Alright. It is too hot. I cooked my other piece of skate. Remember, I made one for ceviche, and I made the other half with corn, onion. I first fried the onion, I add the corn, and I put the fish on top, and I put cream. I let it boil for 20 minutes, and it came out like this. Let's try it. Bones. Yep. This fish has a lot of bones. They have long bones. Skate in my life, but this is my first time. And it came out good. See all this bone. It's all bone. That's good. I was so hungry, too hungry. All right, we'll just go wash this. All right, I got the fish. I got it. Let me check. What size is that keeper? Nice fish. All right. I'm gonna release it because it's not long enough. It has to be between 28 and 31 inch. So I'm gonna just let it go. All right. Here's gone. Fish. I got another fish. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. This one feels heavier. Look at it. Look at it. Look at that. What a. Yeah. Oh, why? All right, I had enough fun. I catch good fish, and now it's time to go home. I'm tired. I've been here for 2 days, and I'm very tired. It's time to go. Till next video, peace. Have a good time.